Hello students. Today we are going to learn about the next topic of chapter 1, that is Introduction to Geotechnical Engineering, Basic Definitions and Relationships. Coming to the next topic, that is soil as two-phase system in various terms. In the previous content we have learned soil as three-phase system. Let us now learn how three-phase system is converted into two-phase system. We have already memorized what is mass, weight. The important relation we need to remember is gamma is equal to rho into g. Because unit weight is a term we usually use in the geotechnical engineering to solve various types of problems. Coming to the two-phase diagram, fully saturated soils is one of the category. What happens in fully saturated soil? There will be no air voids. The whole voids are filled with water. See, you can see. There is no air. Only the three phases, that is solid, water and air. When there is no air, the three-phase diagram is converted into two-phase diagram. Hence, fully saturated soil is a combination of water and solids. Coming to the oven dry, this is a second variety, oven or dry soils. When you are putting the soil in oven, it becomes dry. So there is no water. Hence, this three-phase diagram is converted into two-phase diagram. It is divided into solid and air. In the previous lesson also we have seen a schematic diagram of three-phase diagram in terms of weight and volume. This is a weight symbols and this is a volume symbols. What is WA? Weight of the air, weight of the air, weight of the water. WS is the weight of the solids. And what is VA? Volume of air, volume of water. VW, volume of solids. VS. VB is volume of voids. The total volume is V. Here W is denoted by the weight. Total volume is represented by Vs plus Vw plus Va. So V is equal to Vs plus Vw plus Vb. Soils can also be partially saturated, that is, they can be filled with both air and water, or fully saturated, that is, no air content, or sometimes perfectly dry, that is, no water content. So, in a saturated soil or a dry soil, the three-phase system will reduce to two-phase system, as we are showing in the adjoining figure. This is partially saturated soil. You can see air, water and solids. This is fully saturated. No air. Air is equal to 0. In dry soils or oven dry soils, water content is 0. So for the purpose of engineering analysis and design and to solve various problems, it is very much necessary to express the relations between the weights and the volume in the three phases. So we are going to use few relations like void ratio, porosity. What do you mean by void ratio? Void ratio is denoted by E. It is a ratio of the volume of voids VV to the volume of solids, that is Vs. So E is equal to VV by Vs and it is denoted by a decimal. The next important quantity, that is term, nothing but porosity. It is a ratio of the volume of voids to the total volume of soil and is expressed as a percentage. So, N is equal to, what is volume of voids? V by total volume of soil, that is V. These two are very important relations you have to remember. There are also various relations which are grouped in, like volume relations, weight relations and interrelations between volume and weight. Thank you.